The Dell Chromebook 3189 Education 2-in-1 gives students the tools they need to create and collaborate. This 11-inch system is built to withstand busy school days and active kids. Students can go all day without charging thanks to long battery life. And lunchrooms, lockers, backpacks, and buses are no match for the durable, spill-resistant rubber-edged chassis. An optional charging cart makes it easy to keep track of and charge a classroom's worth of devices and move them from teacher to teacher and class to class. The device works in laptop, tablet, or tent modes and comes with a huge variety of Google Learning apps that students can download easily, providing them with research tools that are a click away wherever the day takes them. A 3-color LED activity light makes non-disruptive communication and ad hoc learning activities a cinch, connecting directly to Google Classroom apps. Plus, it alerts teachers when students are online. The Dell Chromebook 3189 Education 2-in-1 supports all kinds of educational activities, empowering students to own their learning at every grade level.
If you want to stay